I oppose this introduction of this constitutional amendment bill because it violates the parliamentary form of democracy and federalism, which are both parts of basic structure of the Constitution, sir. Sir, this is not about the one reservation. The main goal is to make South rule and other areas the ruler and completely erase the representation of OBCs and Muslims from the elected legislature. Sir, federalism is the basic structure of the Constitution. By removing the delimitation freeze, it gives more seats and power to larger population while denying a fair voice to smaller population. This again is a violation of federalism, which is part of basic structure, sir. Sir, the Hindi heartland has 38.1%. It will increase to 43.1%. Southern states will decrease from 24 to 20%. Sir, why I say it is complete destruction of federalism? It also curtails parliamentary democracy. Parliament democracy has to be representative of, if a voter in Telangana feels that their voting or not makes no difference, if decisions are taken in UP rather than parliament, why will they vote? Thirdly, sir, it violates our own direction 19A2. Minister has to give 7 days notice of a motion for introducing a bill in this house. Similar copies of the bill have to be introduced, need to be given to members 2 days before the introduction. Third, sir, this is a clear violation of 123B of RPA Act 1951 to 1 week before voting. I call this a corrupt practice, sir. I will be asking for a division of this bill, sir, and I end by what Sahir Ludhiani had said. यहाँ पर गरीबों से मतलब जुनूबी हिंद के लोग, मुसलमान और ओबीसी। इसका साहिर लुधियानी ने कहा, सर, शहंशाहों के गरीबों से ताल्लुक ही नहीं, एक शहंशाह ने दौलत का सहारा लेकर हम गरीबों की मोहब्बत का उड़ाया मजाक।